AgEagle Aerial Systems recently participated in a second high-level policy discussion with the White House's Office of Information and Regulatory Affairs, OIRA, regarding the proposed FAA Rule Part 108 for Beyond Visual Line of Sight (BVLOS) drone operations. CEO Bill Irby joined industry peers to discuss how the new rule would remove operational barriers, drive investment, and advance drone technologies. The meeting, facilitated by the Association for Uncrewed Vehicle Systems International (AUVSI) and the Commercial Drone Alliance (CDA), included representatives from 18 leading drone technology companies. They focused on how regulatory clarity will attract capital investment and create a uniquely American model for drone automation. The upcoming FAA Rule Part 108 aims to replace the current waiver-based system with a more predictable regulatory framework, potentially enabling widespread commercial drone adoption across various sectors. Irby emphasized the strategic importance of expanding BVLOS operations for the domestic drone industry, highlighting the potential for streamlined regulation to accelerate innovation, improve safety and compliance, and strengthen the U.S. position as a global leader in drone technology. This development could open doors for increased economic activity and broader deployment of autonomous data solutions. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.